What's up, Anchor Coin horse? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of Anchor Coin. What's the current price of Anchor? What's the price change of coin Anchor? And a lot of people ask me questions about Anchor Coin, that when will the price of Anchor Coin increase? So finally, in this video, I will answer your question. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now. ABS take channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now the current price of the Ankr this time is in the market as 0.11 USD dollar. On the other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Ankr coin, 0.0000290 USD dollar is the currently BTC price of the Ankr coin this time in the market. Market cap, 24 hours volume, available supply, total supply of Ankr coin you can easily read on the screen. On the other side, if you look the price changes in the Ankr coin, so absolutely this time I'm very happy. You know what, why I'm very happy? Because the Ankr coin starts jumping, so I'm very happy. Last 1 hour price change is positive, last 24 hours price change is positive, last 1 week price change is positive. So that's mean that now from the previous last 1 week, from the start of June, the Ankr coin start jumping, so I'm very happy. Anyways, on the 6th June, there's a lot of chances to they take a huge jump. On the 6th June, there is a lot of chances to they take a huge jump. So that's why I suggest for everyone, please hold, don't decide to sell your Ankr coin throughout this whole month, and especially hold your coin to the end of this week, my friends. In the end of this week, there's a lot of chances to they take a huge jump. On the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, I told you that huge pump of the Ankr coin are coming soon on 6th June. You understand? Hope. My friends, you can see here in a previous whole month the price of Ankr coin is very badly fast down, and now from the start of June, the Ankr coin start pumping. So never miss this update, and please hold Ankr coin throughout this whole month. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Ankr coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.